Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add more than 10 pictures on your Instagram account. Now make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. First of all, open the application of your Instagram and you will be at the home section of your Instagram app. So from here what you can do is just click on the profile icon on the most right corner on the below side, and you will be sent to like the profile section. And from here what you can do is just click on the plus icon like along with the three lines, and once you click here you will be seeing these options: reel, story, post, story highlight, live, and AI. So just make sure to select second option called post, and once you click on post, like, you will be seeing all the images. So from here just click, make sure to turn this option on, which is like to select multiple pictures. And once you have turned this on, you can just select up to 20 images. So let me just select. As you can see, I am able to cross 10 images, so you can select up to 20. And now once 20 are selected, you can just click on next, and they will ask you to like enter like the music or whatever. So you can just choose the music. If you want to add, you can choose any filter or text. If you want to add, click on next, and from here you can just write down the caption. This process is pretty simple. So you can just write down the caption. If you want to add the music, tag, add location and the audience as well, and just click on share. Once you click on share, you will be able to add like post up to 20 images on your Instagram page. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.